Hello everyone, how are you all? So today I'm in my traditional attire as our festival is going on. So in this video I'm going to tell you that how we have to change active voice that is given in past perfect tense into passive voice. Okay, so what rule we need to follow I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to tell you with the help of few examples. It will be easier for you guys to understand. Okay, so active voice when it is given in past perfect tense. So in past perfect tense, for example, the girl had written a story. Okay, this is active voice. Okay, and this active voice is in the past perfect tense. You know, in past perfect tense it is subject plus had plus verbs third form plus object. Okay, so we need to change it into passive voice. Okay, I'm writing it here. It is subject. Okay, this is the helping verb, this is the verb's third form, and this is the object. So we need to change it into passive voice. So how we have to change it into passive voice? By using which rule we need to change it into passive voice. Okay, so when we are going to change it into passive voice, what this object will take the place of the subject. So it will be a story. Okay, in past tense we are going to use had for each and every subject, whether it is singular, plural, first person, second person or third person. Okay, so we are going to use had, this auxiliary only for each and every person as well as for singular and plural. Okay, so story had, then we are going to add been. Story had been, the verb's third form only will come, written, okay, by the girl. Okay, a story had been written by the girl. We have to add here by, and then the subject will appear here. Okay, now if I take some other example, like I had written a story. So I had written a story. So we have to change it to passive voice. So it will be a story had been written by me. And in my earlier videos I told you that when we are using any pronoun as the subject, then how we have to change this. Okay, in the passive voice, like I changes to me. Okay, we changes to us, and I had written a story had been written by me. You had written a story had been written by you. Okay, you remains the same in passive voice also. So the general formula that we are going to use when we are changing active voice that is given in the past perfect tense into passive voice, by using this object will come here. Okay, then had, then verbs third form, okay, then by, and then the subject will appear. Okay, so this is the general rule for writing a sentence that is an active voice that is given in the past perfect tense into passive voice. Okay, hope children you understood this concept. Okay, and if you still have not, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, then kindly do the needful and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.